Today in this video we are going to know a small trick about G20, G7 and G8 countries to remember easily. So when we check the previous year questions, the most frequently asked questions are there from G20, G7 and G8 countries. So now we are going to know a small trick to remember easily these countries, because many people has somewhat confusion among these countries, and now we are going to learn a super easy trick which will be useful to attempt the questions from G20 or G7 or G8 countries easily. So actually there are only 40 days for CSC exam, I mean civil service exam. So this trick may useful for some members too, so please watch this until end. So let's start with G20 countries first of all. And G20 countries, next G7 and G8. See here, first one is G7 countries. The small trick is for this to remember: Kaf, Jiju. Here Ka stands for Canada and Fa stands for France, and here Ja stands for Germany, and Bada E ki matra stands for Italy, and again here this Ja stands for Japan, and U ki matra stands for USA and UK. So see, G7 countries mean a 7-membered country. Actually see, Canada 1, France 2, Germany 3, 4 Italy, 5 Japan, 6 USA and 7 UK. Yes, these are the G7 countries. To check the timeline of G7 countries, actually G7 countries are formed in 1975 with a 6-membered meeting. Actually from these 7 countries, Canada joined in the middle of 1975 to 1976. So until then there are only 6 countries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries, and in 1975 to 1976 period of time, Canada joined in G7 countries and they form a 7-membered countries, and these are that. And next one is Canada joined 1975, and in 1994 Russia joined actually in G7 countries in the political way, and in 1997 Russia became official member. And so then this one, when Canada, France, Germany, Japan, Italy, USA and UK are there, and these 7 countries, and again in 1994 Russia joined, and 1977 Russia became official member. So this one became G8 country actually. And in 2014 Russia is suspended from G7 countries because Russia is over annexation of Crimea. Here Crimea means a peninsular and autonomous region in Ukraine among Black Sea and the Sea of Azov. So here Crimea spelling is this, once Google it if you have any doubt. Crimea. Because of this annexation of Crimea, Russia kicked out in 2014 from G8 countries and became a separate country in G8. So Russia became G8 countries, and and with the part of Russia and remaining these 7 countries, this G8 country is formed, G8 grouped country. And this is what the small timeline for G7 countries. To learn this briefly, once do your own research on Google or something else. Next, G20 countries, and the trick to remember G20 countries is ABC. ABC is met, MET, not MEET, and add square A for A, add square for A, and square for I, cube for S. So this one, and check it out. So here double A square means double A stands for Australia, and Argentina, and B stands for Brazil, and here C stands for China, double I, here double I stands for one India and Indonesia, and S cube triple S stands for one South Africa, actually South Korea and Saudi Arabia, and here M stands for Mexico, and here E stands for European Union. Actually, it is difficult to write with one hand without any support. And last one, T stands for Turkey. See, actually G20 countries mean, you know, that 20 membered country. So let's check that. Argentina 1, Australia 2, Brazil 3, China 4, India 5, Indonesia 6, South Africa 7, South Korea 8, Saudi Arabia 9, Mexico 10, and European Union 11, Turkey 12, and along with this 12, here we have 8, so 20. Okay, this one to remember, G7 is of Jeju, and timeline is, and this one timeline in 1975 G7 countries are formed, but they have only 6 membered countries, and Canada joined in G6 countries actually and became it G7 countries in 1975, and in 1994 Russia joined in a political way, and 1997 Russia became official member, and in 2014 Russia is kicked off because of annexation of Ukraine, like Crimea. Here Crimea means a peninsular and autonomous region of Ukraine between Black Sea and the Sea of Azov. This one is also called actually as KRYM. Once Google it for more details. See, so this is one of the easiest way, and comment below what do you think about this. Thank you.